Focus, focus. You can do it. You can do it. Can you do it? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I know you see these pigtails and this hair looking a hot mess. I am here today looking straight quarantine-ish, if that's what you want to call it. I just washed my hair, cut my hair, and now I'm getting ready to braid it down. So I'm here with a wig review or unboxing and applying. So I guess it's not necessarily a review because I haven't really worn it yet, and when I apply it, it's just gonna only be worn for a day. So maybe I'll come back with an update. If you guys would like to see that, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. I have a wig from My Quality Hair in this cute little pink box, which is so cute, and I have already opened it. Yeah, let me show you what came in the box really fast. So first of all, the wig, and it did come in one of those black mesh cap thingies, but I already opened the box because I just could not wait. So I opened it just to check out the curl. I wanted to get a wig that was similar to my texture. So this was one of the most affordable ones that I found that was pretty similar, that I feel like would be a nice everyday wig, especially when I return back to work. I am a hairstylist. I do hair all day, and sometimes I just don't feel like doing my own hair. So yeah, I thought that this would be something like a really good go-to basically. So this came in the box. Also, it came with 2 wig caps, which I think is really cool because I never ever get this color, and I think that's like perfect for me. And I always get this color, and I think it's always too light for me. So it's nice to have the 2 options, but I'm especially excited for this one. They both come with 2 pieces in each pack. So you got 4 stocking caps basically. My wig came in this cute little pink bag inside the black mesh cap, inside of another plastic bag, this one right here. And it also came with these 2 things, which is an edge brush, which can't have enough of those. These things always come in handy. And then also a removable elastic band, which I think is pretty cool. I don't know how this elastic band looks, but let's take a peek at it. And with these 2 little pieces, so you can like make your own little hooks for it, how big or small that you want it. And with this piece on there, which is good quality actually. Oh, and this is a really good elastic. It's like really strong and sturdy. Seems heavy duty, so it seems like it'll last for a really long time. It's another extension piece, so if you need it to be any longer. So yeah, I came with those. I got the My Quality Hair natural wig in a 14-inch with 150 density, and the cap is pretty nice too, I feel like. So this is the inside of the wig. Pretty nice, and I could just go ahead and sew that elastic band on, but I think for this first initial try on, I'm definitely not going to do that. So I'm really not going to do much to it because basically I want to be able to leave out my hair because I really want a natural looking hairline. I live in Florida, it gets hot, like I just don't feel like dealing with glue or anything like on my edges or on my forehead. Like it makes me itch. It just gets so annoying. So I think what I'm going to do is just leave out just a little bit of my hairline, not too much, and then put an anchor braid and maybe like 4 or 5 big braids going back and call it a day. So after I do that, I will be right back and show you guys how this wig looks and how I'll finesse it and everything. I'm gonna wash the wig and everything and just make it all look fresh and new. If you want to see that, stay tuned. I'll be right back. I just washed the wig. It has the products that I use right here. So washing this wig, it was actually not that easy to comb out. We made it work just with some pretty good conditioners. I didn't want to, well, I kind of did use a mixture of something that I will actually use on my hair and then something that is more cheap for the wig because I don't want to waste my good product. But this is me brushing it right now. So I'm actually going to let it dry for a little bit. But as you can see, like these curls are like everything. Like it looks so natural. Like I'm so shook, okay? Because it's just beautiful. Like you can see the conditioner is on there right now. So like I said, I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit and then I'll come back and I'll apply it. I'm gonna go braid my hair down. We will go from there. I'll let you guys see after it's a little bit more dry and the product has settled in. But it's so bouncy. And I mean, I've got a little bit of some hair in this brush, but I kind of was really brushing it really hard, so because I don't have time to be doing all that and it's summer over here. So if it loses a few strands, it'll be fine, right? Okay. That's that for now. May let it dry upside down so that it can have some volume as it dries. I'll be back with closer to the finished product. Bye.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my hole.
So as you can see, doing this part of the video, I do not have any audio going because I had company over and it was just too much noise in the background. So I'm just gonna finish the rest of this video with a voiceover. So yeah, right here I'm just going in and adding some hair sewing thread to my hair, and I'm just sewing this wig along that anchor braid in the front of my head. So if you guys would like a more in-depth video of how I actually sew this hair, then make sure you comment down below and I'll try to get a video up as soon as possible with how my technique of sewing weave or bundles or wigs onto my hair. And yes, I see that little piece of lace stuck in the weave, but it's fine. Yeah, so I'm just gonna speed this part up and I'll let you guys listen to the music, but this is kind of basically self-explanatory. I'm literally just going around the front on that anchor braid. You can honestly go around the whole part of your head if you wanted to, but I decided not to just because I like to be able to go underneath my wig and scratch my scalp or add oils to my hair. But yeah, so continue to enjoy the video. So right here in this part of the video, you can see that I am just kind of fluffing my hair, and like I said, I dried it upside down, so it does have a lot of volume. And as I'm looking at it right now through the screen, it actually doesn't look that bad. The sides are still not sewn down, so they are liftable, as you can see, so you can still apply your oils to your scalp if you needed to. But yeah, back to the volume of the wig. Like when I did it at first, I felt like it was just so much volume. So right now, doing this part of the video, I'm just adding a little bit of product to kind of calm it down. But like I said, as I'm looking back at the video right now, it actually doesn't look bad. I could have just left it, but I was just trying to tame the curl a little bit more. But it actually just looks so similar to my actual natural curl pattern, I feel like, if I let my hair grow out strong and healthy. But yeah, just keep enjoying and I will be right back. As you can see, I have so much heat damage from flat ironing my hair and just not caring for my hair like I'm supposed to, like I know I can. So this was one of the reasons why I decided to get a curlier wig that was closer to my hair texture, so I can start just embracing my natural hair texture for what it is. And yeah, that's basically the reason why I opted for this type of wig. And right now you could just see me going in with some Eco Styler gel. I know a lot of people don't like to use it, but it works great for my hair, so I'm going to continue to use it. And yeah, I mean, I could have curled my hair overnight, but I actually just forgot to, so it's pretty straight, but it's fine because I'll blend it in, and I'll show you how I blend it in later. So Gots to Be really sets my hair and just keeps that hold for like so long. I know that's a lot, but when I take it out, I don't brush it out or anything. I'll just rinse it out with water. Yeah, that's that. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself, 'cause I keep on falling. So right here, I'm just moisturizing my hair with this leave-in that I have, and I'm just going in and twisting my hair around the curly wig so that my hair can kind of like curl up a little bit and mimic the hair, because my hair is just so damaged in the front. But yeah, as you can see, once I do that, it blends in so well and it stayed for a while and it just looks so natural. Like, you can't tell me that's not my hair. Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my home. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade with city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. This hair has a beautiful shine to it, and like I said, it just looks so natural. I'm obsessed with it. But just like your natural hair, this wig, I love it, don't get me wrong, but it is definitely a lot of maintenance, just as it would be with wearing your natural hair. Like, you will have to do twist outs on it and continue to wet it like every day just to refresh the curl. And I just felt like that is a lot of work, but it was nice. I think that I will definitely probably not sew it on next time so that I can take it off while I sleep, so that it just doesn't get too kinky while I'm sleeping and it's rubbing everything. So yeah, like I said, I love this wig, but it is a lot of work. It is a lot of maintenance, but will I be wearing it again in the future? Absolutely. Chit-chat with my friends and my son and everybody, but I was just trying to see, like, okay, how will I style this, like, when I walk out the house? How do I want to look, or how do I want it to look? So right now you're just gonna see me style it in many different, well, not many different ways, but like this way, where it's kind of like a side part with a little bang in the front, and then I opted out for a deeper part, and that was cute too. But then you'll see me here soon. I ended up doing like a half up, half down. But yeah, it came out beautiful. I feel like it just looks so natural, and it was just so much fun to like wear this wig and just feel like you know, like I'm embracing me basically.
Need to let you go to find myself, 'cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself.
So yeah, as you can see, you can do half up, half down. I feel like if my hair was actually curly, my natural hair, I could have wore it like that, but I just saw that little string hanging out, and I'm like, I'm just gonna see how it looks in a bun. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video to the music.
'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself, 'cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. You are only bringing out the worst in me. Now I really don't know what the best in me is. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city.
Also, I just filmed this look, so if you want to see this look, make sure you check it out in the description box below.